students, topic of the video is principal induction, or we can say principle of mathematical induction. What is mathematical induction? If some relation we cannot prove, then we assume that relation, then we can put the values of n or values of integer by checking the process. Suppose if the value for n equals to 50, some relation is true, but value of n equals to 51, 52 and the way, it is not valid. So how could we prove that term or prove that formula? So we use principle of mathematical induction by proving that kind of formula, or you can say checking of this formula. The principle of mathematical induction is, suppose Pn naught is true for n equals to n naught. Second principle, whenever k is an integer such that k greater than equals to n naught and pk is true, then p of k plus 1 is true. Then Pn is true for all integers where n greater than equals to n naught. Here n naught is the starting value, or you can say initial value of the principal induction, principle of mathematical induction. In the school level or in the primary level, we write this formula as, suppose in the place of p of n naught we write p1 is true, then we assume pk is true. Pk be true by where k is greater than equals to 1. Then by this assumption we have to prove that pk plus 1 is true. Then we can say by principle of mathematical induction Pn is true, where n belongs to n and n is greater than equals to 1. Then we proceed a sum by using this mathematical induction. Prove that three x plus 6x plus 9x plus dot dot 3nx equals to 3 by 2 n into n plus 1 into x. For proving of this formula, let Pn be the given statement. Sometimes we have mentioned that n is greater than equals to 1 or n is greater than equals to 2. If nothing is mentioned in that kind of sum, then we proceed with 1, starting with 1. Let Pn be the given statement, then P1. For the place of P1, we take from the left hand side first value, that is 3x, and in the right hand side we put n equals to 1. Then n is replaced by 1. So we can get 3x equals to 3 by 2 into 2 into x. By cancellation we get 3x equal to 3x. Therefore P1 is true. Let us assume Pk be true. Therefore 3x, 6x, 9x plus dot dot 3kx equals to 3 by 2 k into k plus 1 into x. Therefore P of k plus 1, in the place of P of k plus 1, 3x, 6x, 9x plus dot dot 3 into k plus 1 into x. This is k plus 1th step. If some step there exists 11th floor, then it is obvious that there exists 10th floor. So if there exists k plus 1th step, then it is obvious that there exists kth step. So 3x plus 6x plus 9x plus dot dot 3kx plus 3 into k plus 1 into x. By using pk from this to this step, we can write 3x to 3kx is equals to 3 by 2 k into k plus 1x plus 3 into k plus 1x. By taking common k plus 3 into k plus 1, within bracket we get k x by 2 plus 1. So 3 into k plus 1 plus kx plus 2 by 2. Now in the place of n we have to write k plus 1. Now 3 by 2 k plus 1 and there exists a k plus 1, there is a mistake, 1 into x, there exists a x, so there exists 2x, so kx plus x plus x. So 3 by 2 into k plus 1 within bracket k plus 1 x. Now you see that in the place of n we write k plus 1, in the place of n we write k plus 1. So P of k plus 1 is true if pk be true. This is very important line. If P of k plus 1 is true, if pk be true. If pk is not true, then we cannot prove P of k plus 1. So pk should be true. So this is very important step. Otherwise it cannot get any marks in the exam. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction Pn is true where n belongs to n. Here n is set of natural number. Therefore 3x plus 6x plus 9x plus dot dot plus 3nx equals to 3 by 2 n into n plus 1 into x. Proved. In the next video we discuss another sum on this topic.